Morning, this is Prasad, better known as Desi Traveler, and today we are going to review ClearTrip app. If you do not have it already, you can download it from Play Store in Google. I already have it, so we'll straight away log into the app and search for flights to begin with. So I've already earlier searched for Delhi Goa flights for August 14th to 17th, and approximately I think around 7 seconds it gives you various options that you can sort on price as well as on time. So let's take this flight just randomly. I'm picking this flight and booking. So this particular flight is not available. Let's try again. So this is available. You review the itinerary and you book it, and I can add insurance over here. It gives me the breakup of my, and then you have to add your name and all those details. But since it's just for a demo, we'll go back and we'll now try book the hotels. So let's go to the hotels option, and again in Goa, and it gives me a lot of options. So let's sort them out on the basis of price, but I don't like one star. I'll prefer a slightly better hotel. So let's go to the featured hotels, and this one seems to have a good reviews, the first one on TripAdvisor 3.5. So let's book that. And here, as you can see, it's a five-star hotel and it has dining options, it has Wi-Fi, and TripAdvisor has 5 reviews of this hotel and they give it approximately 3.5 rating. And we can book it now, and these are different category of rooms. So let's try this room, which has 35% off, and bed and breakfast package is there. So here's the breakup. Let's continue booking. But it asked me for the name and all, so let me put my name. Needs a mobile number, so randomly I want to give a number. So it doesn't accept incorrect number, but like you can see, in less than like 2.5 minutes you can book both the flights as well as your hotels in any destination. So let's look at some other features that the app has got. So it gives you weekend getaways, trains, which I have not tried on this app. There are offers and deal. Let's see what it has got in offers and deals. Oh, this is great. Get a room night just for rupees 20. That's good. And there's a flash sale for low airfares. There's a monsoon welcome package available. So what else? Let's keep on trying a few more things. So the buses are also available in this, and weekend gateways, or rather weekend getaways. I don't know. What do you prefer to call it? So it has identified that I am logged in from Gurgaon, and it is giving me options near Damdama Lake, the Westin Sona Resort and Spa. Here are the two, I think, closest that they have, and both are good resorts in my opinion. So anyway, let's go back to the home screen, and as you can see, multiple options are available on this app. It's fairly responsive. 3G connection where I live are not very robust, but still the application has not crashed, and I was able to move between menus fairly fast without any hang up or any kind of delays. And here is the settings button where you can choose your currency, country, and various other things. And just one more thing I want to highlight over here, that you can use this application in conjunction with your Facebook account. So with that, I would like to sign off. This is your friendly neighborhood Desi Traveler, and you can try the ClearTrip application for mobiles with Android. Download it from Google Store. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.